It's that year again where all we talk about is a new Apple iPhone. So I got here the new iPhones. I got the Desert Titanium, which is the one I'm gonna be daily driving for the next couple of days. What we also have in here is that we also have the Marine iPhone 16. 16 Pro Max and iPhone 16. We're going to unbox them. We're going to take a quick look at them. Shout out to Apple for actually, having these ready for me. So we're going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to review them. So this is unboxing and an impression video, so you can see what it looks like and what the unboxing looks like. We're going to do a full review of the camera and comparison. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for that video. It's going to be an unbiased, unsponsored video. So I'm not sponsored by Apple. I'm not sponsored by anyone. So all my reviews I do on this channel is 100% me. So if you're looking for unsponsored, unbiased reviews, you're in the right place. Make sure that subscribe button. Okay, let's get it. All right, first we're gonna start off with the. Actually, you know what? Let me do the Marine first. And I'm saying let me leave the best one for last. So the Ultra Marine, really nice. Honestly, holy smokes! I'm so excited. I don't even want to open this. So the famous tabs. This is always the most exciting part. All right, so it's officially remove the tabs. After remove the tabs, you're gonna go ahead and unbox the phone. Oh, it's an iPhone. Oh my goodness. My goodness, this I don't like blue. I hate the color blue personally. I'm not a blue person, but God, man, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is a beautiful phone. Ultramarine. Oh my goodness, this is such a beautiful phone. Like I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but Apple did good with this color. So it comes with the USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-C cable, and also with the, little driver right here to remove the SIM card from the phone. So this is pretty amazing. And this is all that comes in the box now. This is it. There's nothing else. There's no stickers. What a shame. There's no stickers anymore. So just the paper. Apple's managed to take away the stickers now. So let's hope they keep the USB-C in the box and they don't take away the USB-C, because I would be heavily, heavily disappointed if they did remove that. But with Apple, all things are possible. The Ultramarine is beautiful, to be honest with you. I wish they had this in the Pro Max color, because I would definitely rock this color. It's a beautiful blue color. I've never seen anything like this before. It's sort of famous peeling. Beautiful color. So this is the iPhone 16. So just the 16. It's not the 16 Plus or anything. Just a 6.1 inch. So it's a lot. This is so much smaller than what I'm used to when it comes to phones. Like, I haven't used a 6.1 inch phone in such a long time that, this feels like so small. So we're going to put this aside and we're going to move on to the next unboxing and impression. Woo! This is the Desert Titanium, bro. The desert. Yo, let me flip it over. As I'm saying, this is what it looks like, man. As I'm saying. Let's flip it over. We're gonna peel this off. Yo, Apple never disappoints, bro. I'm sorry. They never disappoint. Designs and how amazing their phones feel, they never disappoint. Never disappoints. All right. Woo. Honestly, when it comes to the color and the first impression of the colors, nothing beats it more than the Ultra Blue Marine. It's a beautiful phone. I would say go for this color. I said before, I hate blue, but I will definitely rock this phone any day. It's a beautiful phone. So, all right, again, here's a phone. Beautiful phone right here. You guys can see what it looks like. I love it. It's bigger and it's heavier too. But I mean, the cable as usual comes in there. Again, 2 pieces of paper. I guess, a manual and everything on it, but it does not include, again, it does not include any stickers. So I'm disappointed with Apple for doing that, but I mean, Apple's gonna do what Apple do. This is my old phone, so I have a, I wrap my phone with a case on it. Trust me, I'm not stupid. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not that brave. So all my phones have case on. This is my older iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is in the natural titanium, and this right here is the new one, the 16 Pro Max with the new desert titanium color. So this is what it looks like. So in case you guys thinking about getting the natural titanium or thinking about getting desert titanium, this is what they both look like. Let me know which color you think is best. You like desert or you like natural? In my opinion, I think I like the desert because I like gold a little bit better, but the natural titanium still is one of my favorite colors. All right, so let me go ahead and remove, peel this off. Ooh. This is stunning. This is beautiful. It is beautiful, bro. This is really beautiful. So before I do anything, make sure I like to put a screen protector on my phones. Right now it's looking fresh, and I like to keep it that way. So I got a link in the description if you want to go ahead and pick up screen protector. A case as well included from the company with the MagSafe. So it's the one with the MagSafe, so that way you can see the phone better. I like the clear case as well. So, and it also comes with some protection for the camera. I don't use protection over my camera because these glass protection does reduce the quality of your actual, does reduce the quality itself. So I wouldn't personally recommend ever putting anything that obstructs your camera, because like you don't want to, you want better quality, you don't want less quality. So yeah, so it covers most of the screen, which is amazing. So we can go ahead now and do our first power up. Sheesh. Sheesh. Yeah. All right, so this is the first power up. So it powered on. But what we're gonna do is that we're gonna look at some of the differences, the physical differences. For next video, I'm gonna drop a next video the same day, and I'm gonna go over some of the new features on the phone. But for now, I'm just doing an impression. So what's the difference between this, my 15 Pro Max and 16 Pro Max in terms of the physicality, like what's physically different? Number one, we have now the camera control button at the side here, which is very nice. We have the new gold titanium, which people they call desert titanium. We still have the same rocker that we have on the old phone, so it's the same rocker, same like up and down button, same mute button. We also have the same button at the side that we use to remove our SIM card tray. It's actually positioned at the same exact place. So same USB-C 3.0 at the bottom here that we can do everything. So same three cameras, cameras positioned same place. The camera sensor is obviously bigger, so we can let in a little bit more light. Now we can do 4K 120 as well. This can do 4K 16 in ProRes log. So those are some of the physical differences when it comes to these two phones. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Which one of these phones do you think look better? Do you like the new desert titanium, or do you actually like the natural titanium color? Let me know in the comment section. But all right, subscribe. We have more videos dropping soon. Subscribe.